Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to get the higher FPS in Rainbow Six Siege, and this is like the latest ones, 2024, so let's get started. So the first thing you guys can do is go to settings, go to the gear icon, and you're going to click on options. From options you're going to go over to graphics, and then from graphics this is like a no-brainer, just turn it all the way down to low. Now go to low, yeah, and then from there you should honestly be good to go. But if you still need to have like even higher FPS, like if this didn't help that much, you can do is turn down the render scaling all the way to the last one, and you can also turn down the TAA sharpness as well, leave it at like 2520, and then you could go ahead and hit apply. And yeah, that is honestly the best thing you guys can do. And you can always change your display to like resolution to like 1024 by 7, just like a very low resolution. And yeah, and doing this will definitely increase your FPS by a lot, and you will notice a drastic FPS increase. And yeah, that is basically it for the video though. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.